All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SV model, this beautiful gray with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, fog lights, super nice. And best of all, minimum damage. Go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire tread. Over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty damn decent. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. And your tire tread. Under 730 seconds. Let's double check that. Under 730 seconds above 4. Here's your your nice shot of your roof. No dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. You jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your backup camera. Pow. AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 8,554. Looks good, guys. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Get your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Your rear bumper looks pretty good. Has a heavy scratch here, about 2 inches, and another one there, about 1 inch. Deck lid looks good. Here's your trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and then you got your owner's manuals tucked away. Still wrapped up, by the way. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one, and your tire tread is under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat looks good. Front fender looks pretty good. I do see some fish eyes. It's not substandard paint, but it does need to be wet sanded there, and that stuff should come off. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice LC curbing. And tire tread here is over 730 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. All lights are working. Car is running. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the 2017 Nissan Altima SV model with only 8,000 miles. Questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.